Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Process Builder. Process Builder is a point and click tool that let us easily automate business processes and see a graphical representation of our process. It gives admins the ability to set the exact order of operations, whereas with workflow we had no control. Process Builder can update any field on any related record, whereas workflow can only update some fields on parent record of a master detailed relationship. It invokes Apex method by @invocable annotation and can evaluate multiple criteria. Advantage and limitation. Process Builder is used to automate more complex business process just by a few point and click actions. It provides a user-friendly representation for building a process. Use the button bar to collapse and expand actions, clone the process, and deactivate the process. Process Builder limitations. Delete records, clone a record and its values, update unrelated records, send an outbound message without code. Process Builder actions. Call Apex methods, create a record, email alert, launch flows, post to chatter, processes, quick actions, quick, send custom notifications, submit for approval, update record. Steps to create Process Builder: setup, platform tools, process automation, Process Builder, new. Step 1, enter process name. Step 2, define criteria. Step 3, define action. Step 4, activate process. Let's see an example. Automatically update the account rating to hot when an opportunity's amount exceeds 50,000. Process name, update account rating. Description, automatically update account rating to hot when opportunity amount exceeds 50,000 and is closed one. Choose object opportunity. Start the process when a record is created or edited. Criteria name, high value opportunity closed one. Set conditions, all of the conditions are met and action type, update records. Action name, update account rating. Click activate. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So setup, platform tools, process automation, expand this. Process Builder. Welcome to the Process Builder. With the Process Builder, you can easily automate everything from daily tasks like approvals and follow-up emails to more complex processes like order renewals and new hire onboarding. Click new ever to get started. So just click on new. So here again alert message we are getting. Flow Builder is the future of low-code automation. You can use it to create most of the automation you build in Process Builder. Start using flows today. So Salesforce is saying that go for flows. Don't go for Process Builder because in the flows we have so many options. So for learning purpose or to know what is Process Builder, just click on continue in Process Builder. So here I am providing the process name. update account rating. API name it's taking by default, and the description automatically update account rating to hot when opportunity amount exceeds 50,000 and is closed one. To start process, the process starts when the record changes. Click on save button. So here we have to select the object. So in our case opportunity. Only when record is created, when a record is created or edited, click save, add criteria. So here we are providing the criteria name high value opportunity closed one. So criteria for executing action, conditions are met. So here we have to select for opportunity amount is greater than 50k and opportunity stage is closed one. All the conditions are met and click save, add action. So we need to update the record, update records. So here I am providing the action type update records, action name update account rating. So select a record to update. Here two options we are getting. Select the opportunity record that is started your process. Select a record related to the opportunity. We have to go with this one because we have to update the account field. Account ID, rating, account rating, checklist value will be hot. If the condition is meeting, then the rating will be hot. Click save. And finally, we need to activate this process. Activating the process automatically deactivates any other active version. The deactivated version will be available in your version history. So anytime we are creating the process builder or updating the same one, it is going to create a new version of that. That one it's saying click confirm. So search for opportunity. So here we are going to create an account, new account. So here I am going to create a new account, process builder account test, and I am not providing any rating for this record. Click save. I am creating in the related section opportunity for this account. So click on new. Here I am providing process builder opportunity test for this account, and the amount I am making like 55k. Close date is mandatory, we need to provide. Stage would be closed one as per our scenario. So here condition is meeting. So for this opportunity, this account rating must be hot. If I am clicking on save, here opportunity is created for this account. So if I am going with detail part, see we are able to see rating is hot for this account. Again, I am going to create one more account to cross test this particular scenario. So here I am taking name process builder opportunity text 1. Again here I am not selecting any rating for this. Click save. For this account I am going to create an opportunity. So for this account I am creating an opportunity by the name process builder opportunity text new. So here I am providing 45k. It's not meeting the condition. Close state is mandatory field. We have to provide. Stage I am providing prospecting. Again it's not meeting. Click on save button. So opportunity is created. Again come back to the details. So rating is not updated. If the condition is meeting, in that case rating is getting updated, otherwise not. So like this we are creating the process builder. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.